Carbon monoxide, or CO, can be deadly. Learn how to protect your home with our quick quiz. Let's start with the basics. Where does CO come from? A. A car running in an attached garage. B. Blocked gas appliance vents. C. Poorly maintained fuel-burning appliances. Or D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. Here's how to stay safe. Be sure to have all your fuel-burning appliances inspected every year by a TSSA-registered contractor. And never use outdoor fuel-burning equipment inside your home. Check that any outdoor exhaust vents, such as for a furnace, stove, fireplace, dryer, or water heater, are not blocked. Okay, next question. CO is odorless and colorless. True or false? The answer is true. Carbon monoxide is odorless and colorless. It's often called the silent killer. This sound can save your life. That's why it's the law to install CO alarms near all sleeping areas on each floor of your home. Test your alarms monthly and change the batteries once a year. Okay, last question. How do you know if you have CO poisoning? What are the symptoms? A. Headache. B. Dizziness. C. Flu-like symptoms. Or D. All of the above. The answer is D. All of the above. If anyone in your home has these symptoms and your CO alarm beeps, go outside immediately and call 911. Thanks for testing your CO safety smarts. For more essential tips, visit enbridgegas.com/safety.